Welcome back, friends. In this video we are going to take the practice set 2.1 of parallel lines. The first question is that in the given figure, line RP parallel to line MS and line DK is their transversal. Then find the values of the following angles. Angle DHP is given as 85. The first is find the measurement of angle RHD. When we see this figure, then this angle DHP is given as 85 and we have to find angle RHD, means we have to find this angle. When we observe, then we see a particular relation between these two angles. Which angles? This is angle DHP and the angle RHD. When we see this, these two angles are in linear pair. So angles in linear pair are supplementary. Hence angle DHR means RHD plus DHP equals to 180. Equals to 180 angles in linear pair. But out of which DHP is given 85. This 85 taken to the opposite side. Angle RHD equals to 180 minus 85. 180 minus 85. So RHD equals to 95 degree. This is the answer of the first question. What is the measurement of RHD? Now the second is, what is the measurement of PHG? PHG means, now see this one angle. When we see this, the previously calculated, that is RHD, means this one angle and this one angle. See here, these are the angles are vertically opposite. So pair of vertically opposite angles is congruent. Hence the angle PHG equals to RHD. RHD equals to PHG, and we have calculated RHD is 95. If RHD is 95, then PHG also 95. Okay, this is the answer of our second question, that is, what is the measurement of angle PHG? The third question is that is angle HGS. We have to find the angle HGS. We are here given that line RP is parallel to MS and DH is transversal. If two lines are parallel, then the pair of corresponding angles formed by the transversal are congruent. Angle DHP and angle HGS. This one angle and this one angle. These are the corresponding angles and corresponding angles are congruent. Hence DHP congruent to HGS. If two angles are congruent, then their measures are equal. So DHP equals to HGS, but we know that GHP is 85, hence GHS is also 85. This is the answer of our third question. And the last one is that MGK. MGK. This one angle and this one angle. Angle MGK and angle HGS are vertically opposite angles, then they are congruent. Hence, the measurement of this MGK, angle MGK is also 85. Okay. In this way, question number 1 is complete now. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? In the given figure, line L is parallel to line L and line P is parallel to line Q. L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. Some measures of angles are given. Here this angle is given as 110, another one is 115, and it is asked find the values of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay. There are two pairs of parallel lines. These two are parallel and these two are also parallel. So, for the angle A at first, when we see this angle A and angle 110, when we see they are in linear pair, so they are supplementary. So angle A plus angle 110 equals to 180 because they are supplementary angles in linear pair. Now 180 minus 110, that is 70. So the measurement of angle A is 70. This is our first question. Now for second, the line P parallel to line Q, line P parallel to Q and here is their transversal. We consider only this line here is a transversal. When we see this angle A and this angle B, what is given? What we see? A and B has a particular relation, that is they are the alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles, and the alternate exterior angles are congruent. Means angle A equals to angle B. But from the first, angle A is 70, this is 70, then this also 70. So angle B is equals to 70 degree. Okay. This is our second. Third one, angle C and angle 115. Line P parallel to line Q and M is their transversal. See this angle and this angle. C and 115 are corresponding angles. So angle C equals to 115. Now angle D. When we see the relation between these two angles, this one and this D, those are in linear pairs. So their sum is 180. Angle D plus 115 equals to 180. Angles in linear pair. Angle D equals to 180 minus 115. Then angle D is equals to 65. In this way, first question get complete. When we see the example 3, third is similar to the second, and the fifth one also similar to the example first. They are similar, so they have the same method for the solving. So we come across the example fourth. The example fourth is, in the given figure, angle PQR and XYZ. The sides of angle PQR and XYZ are parallel. Means what? Ray QP parallel to ray YX, ray QR parallel to YZ. QR parallel YZ and QP parallel YX. So the question is that prove that angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. So for this we have to do a very small construction, that is ray XY. When we extend, then it intersects the ray QR at point M such that M lies between Q and R and Y lies between X and M. Okay, like this. Y lies between X and M lies between Q and R. So friends, ray YZ parallel to ray QR, it is given. So we take the XM is a transversal. So angle XYZ congruent to, means this one angle is congruent to this one, YMR, corresponding angles. Angle XYZ congruent to angle YMR. Similarly, ray QP is parallel to YZ is parallel to QR, these two now, and this is transversal. QP, so, and these two are parallel. QR is transversal. This angle Q is congruent to angle M. Means angle PQM is congruent to angle YMR, corresponding angles. PQM congruent to YMR. In the first, XYZ is congruent to YMR, and in second, YMR is congruent to PQM. YMR. Here this same YMR congruent to PQM, and add this congruent to XYZ. Means PQM is congruent to XYZ from 1 and 2. PQM is congruent to XYZ. PQM and PQR, this is the same angle. So PQR is congruent to XYZ. This is our to prove. Get proved. Okay. For this practice set 2.1, we stop at this example, and for the next chapter you have to subscribe the video and see the next video for the remaining part of this chapter. Okay, thank you.